What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we are at Mike's house and we are working on his beautiful S4. You can't really see the color, but it's definitely blue. So today we are going to be installing carbon mirror caps over all these. So the mirror caps are essentially the same, but they have a nice high quality carbon laid over it. Looks super good. You can tell in all the light the weave is actually really nice. And there's an Audi emblem somewhere on here. So we know it'll fit. It should fit perfectly. Hopefully we don't have to do any sanding. Alright, so what are we doing first?
You gotta push this guy all the way in and then pull out from this side.
Break your mirror?
Hopefully not.
Oh!
It just pops right out. Just like that.
Oh, they're heated, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Lame connector. Alright, so these things kind of scare me, trying to rip these things off.
Yeah, dude. Let's just hope for the best.
Wait, the guy didn't even say like positive or negative or anything like that. Like, is there an order?
Oh, I remember from another video.
We should Sharpie these things.
Yeah. I'm gonna Sharpie one of them.
We'll go left and right.
Yeah.
Or we can go like up and down or.
Yeah, I can just I'll do Sharpie on this one.
Yeah, call it like driver's side left or whatever.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna mark the outside one here, so we know when we put it back.
There we go. Just pull it out. One mirror is out. Oh my gosh, look at all those fingerprints. I can see myself. Howdy. Alright, so now we just yank this thing off or what? What's in there?
We have to take the motor out.
Wizardry, that's what's in there. Oh, those are those little T9 guys.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's a pain in the ass. So now we got the motor out. So now with that like ridiculously long bolt, now we gotta get the connector. So all these T10 Torx bolts, remove these guys, and then on to the next step. So from here, now you gotta kind of get freaky with it. You got to get in here. If you have a trim removal tool, it definitely helps. We don't. We're just going to try to work a credit card or something in there, get that open, and you want to pop this black piece down and out. Alright, so this piece is by no means easy to take out. You got 1, 2, 3, like 8 clips. Is that one even? Yeah, wow. Ton of clips. You really got to use some force getting this guy out, but also be very gentle. So now, this guy should just pop off. Looking back at the video, apparently we didn't need to take the black piece off. You just need to kind of break it free. So Audi had all these T10 Torx bolts in here, and one was a Phillips. What trolls. So now, there's 2 more connectors on the inside of this guy that we got to remove. After 1 hour, we got one done. Well, not really. We got one off. Now to install those guys. Ooh, these look so good. So we got one mirror almost done. Got all these tabs back in. It was a pain lining it all back up, but we're halfway. Just got to reassemble all the mirror electronics and move on to the other side. All the connectors are almost back in. We just got to do those ridiculous heater things. Good that we marked them. And then we're done. So after about an hour and a half, we did have to take this on and off a few times to line up the tabs, but it is finally on. One thing to remember to do is when you are putting this mirror back on, make sure the motor is perfectly even on both sides, whether it's left, right, up, down. Make sure it's completely flat and even when you put that mirror back on. That way you can continue with your full range of motion.
There's actually a few spots on this car that are messed up.
Well, after 2.5 hours, both sides are done. It looks incredible. Look at those carbon mirror caps. Must be nice, jeez. I don't know if I can see these on my S4. I kind of like the brushed aluminum, but it definitely matches this car perfect.